12:45, getting started. 12:54, basin is set and leveled. Okay, 1:15, we're laying some blocks around the bottom, making them level. 1:45, we got the horseshoe on the first layer, second layer, tamping some down, about to finish the ring on the second layer. 1:59, this is how it's looking. Here you see the finished fountain. We finished doing the third ring of bricks. We've added gravel and some large rocks along the basin and in the back. We've added lights, we've plugged it in, added water, pump is all connected. Everything is running as it should and looking good. Look at that water flow. Beautiful.